Hey everybody, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. You know, if you're like me and was always debating whether or not to paint your calipers or get your calipers painted on your Tesla Model 3, Model Y, X, or S, doesn't matter. I came across a product from Abstract Ocean that I thought was really interesting and really just wanted to do this video just to showcase the product, to let you know that it's out there, because I really didn't want to spend the time of dropping off my car to a paint shop and having them disassemble everything and then put it back together. And plus, it's actually really expensive to do that. You know, upwards of sometimes $500+ to get 4 calipers painted. I'm not quite sure that I wanted to do that. So I found this alternative. Now, there are many other alternatives, covers, I'll call them, available on the market today, but not really something that I would like to put on the car because it just didn't look good. It looked cheap and plasticky and didn't really want to do that. So I've been patiently waiting, and finally Abstract Ocean has come up with a nice caliper cover in multiple colors that you can put on your Tesla Model 3 or any of your Teslas really easily. And well, hey, let's just take a look at the product and see what it is. So right here we have the, yeah, can you believe that? Look at these things. These are caliper covers, again, made by Abstract Ocean. And they really went to extraordinary lengths to really replicate what it actually is, or what a good cover actually should be, I should say. I mean, look at this detail. We have the bleeder here with a rubber boot on it. We actually have a brake line, and this is metal, folks. This is actually metal. And you know, they went so far that it went all the way in. So there's nothing that you're gonna be able to see, at least from a quick view or glance, that these are not real brake covers, or not, shouldn't say real brake covers, that these are not the actual calipers that are on the vehicle itself. So what I wanted to do is just quickly show you these, and I'm gonna put one of them on. You can see we have some clamps here that we need to put over the caliper. I wanted to show you how to install one of them, what it looks like on the car. Now I have some aftermarket wheels on here, and it's going to fit with no problem. So if you do have aftermarket wheels, you're not going to have any problems fitting these on, as well as they will work on any of the OEM rims that Tesla has. So we have the rear set and of course the front set here. And then the other cool thing is we do have some very, very nice decals that are replicated from the existing front calipers that will go on all of them. And we're going to go ahead and do that. But I'm going to get these out of the garage for now because it is cold out here, so that I can have these at a nice warm temperature, so when I put the decals on, I don't have any problems with it sticking to it. So very, very cool. These are actually metal, folks. This is not a plastic cover. This thing is going to last as long as you install it correctly and care for them. This is going to be a really nice setup for my Tesla Model 3, and I am just excited to be able to put these things on. So without further ado, let's take off a wheel, let's put one on and see how it looks. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention is I'm going to be taking off my summer set of tires and putting back on my OEM 19-inch wheels with my Hakkapelitta R3 winter tires. So I'm going to actually check to make sure that the brake calipers fit on both, just a double check. So we'll take this rim off. We'll put it on, put the rim back on just to make sure it works, and I'll show you guys that. And then we'll get rocking and rolling. So I have my breaker bar, my socket, my puck, my torque wrench, and my trusty 2-ton. And we're going to get this taken off and show you how this caliper looks on the Tesla. Let's do it. All right, so before we do the installation on the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and put the decals on so I'm not struggling trying to figure out the alignment while the caliper is on the car itself. So it comes with 5 stickers. In case you mess up one, you have an extra one here, but for the most part, it's pretty straightforward. They are able to detach here. And then they give you a squeegee and of course some isopropyl alcohol to wipe the caliper down. And these are the same size as the OEM version that are on the vehicle right now. And basically you just want to align it. And the best you can, find the center, put this in there, and then you're done. So let's go ahead and do that. So essentially, we're just gonna peel this off in just a second. And you could see that this is definitely not cut straight. So don't rely on the transfer paper here to be your guide. So just, you know, try and line it all up here. I'm gonna sort of use these two as my guides here, and then we'll just put it on like that. So it's gonna look something like that. And then when you're peeling, you just wanna make sure that all of the letters stay on the clear here. There we go, looks pretty good to me. And we're just gonna apply some pressure just to make sure that everything sticks as we peel it off. Now these come in different colors too. I could have got black lettering or whatever, so that's available as well. If you decide to choose a different color caliper, I thought white showed up best on here. Could have went with a black, but I decided to stay with white. All right, so now as we begin to peel, we just want to make sure that the lettering is staying actually on the caliper itself. Voila. All right, let's go get them installed. All right, so we got the decal on, looks really, really nice. And just so you know, I did clean this just to get all the gunk out of it, but you can see I'm actually starting to get some discoloration on the caliper itself. I actually did coat these with a ceramic coating a while back. I didn't do a video on it, but nonetheless, it was cleaned up pretty easy. But let's go ahead and just get this thing installed. And before we do that, I just want to make sure that, you know, everybody understands that this is on your wheel, so you want to make sure that it is secure and installed correctly. It's not really hard, but you certainly don't want to make a mistake and not install this thing correctly and end up falling off on you. So why don't we go ahead and do that? I'm going to try and position the camera the best I can to get you guys the best angle. So let's go ahead and slide this over here. So we have this clip here. Essentially all it does, it slides over. And you can see it goes all the way flush. But what you want to do is make sure, let's see if I can get a close-up on that. Sorry, it's gonna tilt a little bit here. And let me get some light down here. Is that this clip is all the way around the caliper. Right here. And don't worry, it's not touching the brake. You can see it's got plenty of room underneath there. All right. So now we'll turn around our focus onto the top of the caliper. So then we have this other clip, and essentially we're gonna push the caliper forward, get it in place, and just knock it in. Simple as that. And let me show you what that looks like. And again, you can see it's all the way down there. And now we just have to bolt it up. Okay, so it did come with this locking nut and bolt. And we're just gonna go ahead and get that threaded on. And of course, Abstract Ocean, the kind people that they are, send you some little tools. You could use your own if you want, no big deal here. It's just an Allen and a little 8mm wrench here. All right, so the bolt is tight, and as you can see here, I just want to give you a better picture here that this clamp goes all the way underneath the caliper and is holding it in place. And this is a locking bolt and nut here, so this isn't going to come undone. You just want to make sure that it's nice and snug. And essentially, that is the caliper. And you're probably saying, well, wait a minute, the whole back side is exposed. Well, when you have your wheel on, you're not going to see any of this. And this looks so authentic, and it is on there. It is not going to come off. This looks really cool. We're going to throw the tire back on there so you guys can see what it looks like with the tire on. Both the my True Turbines from Traverse Ridge Racing, and then I'll throw my OEM 19s on here so you see what they look like as well. But that's it. It's literally a clamp here, a bolt, a decal. You don't have to have the decal if you don't want, and that's it. Looks really, really nice, and I will say job well done. This is not a plastic cover. It is metal. It looks really, really good, and I'm just, I'm sort of happy with it. Certainly beats having to take it to the paint shop, as I said. These covers are like $200 for all 4 of them, including the decal. You're not out of commission. And for me, it was nice and easy because I'm doing a winter change, a tire winter change here anyway, so not really a big deal. All worked out for me. Really, really nice. Well done. All right, so here is the rear installation. It's pretty much the same. You have your clamp on top, which you're gonna bolt in, and then you have it down here to where it's bolting underneath. And you have a very nice looking caliper cover that has some cool little aspects to it as far as the rubber boot, the bolts, the brake line, and again, it is a metal piece, folks. It just looks really, really nice. All right, so there it is with my True Turbines from Traverse Ridge Racing, and you can see, look at all the room back there. There is no way that this is gonna hit. It's not gonna impact the car, and it just looks really, really nice. Again, you can't even see from any angle any of the old caliper unless you really, really look hard. You could see a little up there. But again, if you're sitting back here, all you are seeing a nice, big, red caliper. Looks really good, guys. And I'll throw my 19s on here in just a second and show you what that looks like. But nonetheless, that's it. This is a great product from Abstract Ocean. They didn't sponsor this video, for those of you who may be asking. I purchased these on my own because I really was looking for a nice alternative to getting my calipers painted. But it looks really, really good. All right, so there is the finished product with the 19-inch wheels. Looks really, really good. Those are the fronts. And I'll take you for a walk here to the back and let you see those as well. They look really, really good, and just looked as good on the other rims as well. So I'm extremely happy with them. Only time will tell how durable they're going to be. And we'll just have to continue to monitor, and I'll let you all know how they turn out. All right, so there you have it, folks. That is the caliper cover from Abstract Ocean. Again, not a paid video, but I did want to show you this because if you're like me, you're probably, you know, looking for something other than a paint job, and I think this really does a great job. It is a high-quality piece of equipment. It's metal, it's not plastic. They did a really good job with all the nuances with it. So overall, I'm extremely happy. I hope this video helps you if you're looking to decide to put some brake calipers on. There you have it, folks. Have a great one, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.